Hey everyone, it's the Curly Mommy here with a super simple, no cornrows needed, crochet protective style. As you can see, my hair is individually parted, so I can wear it any way I choose. This method is very lightweight on the scalp and low maintenance. All you need for this style is a latch hook from your local beauty supply and 4 packs of crochet Fauxlocs hair in your desired color. So after washing and heavily moisturizing my hair and scalp, I parted my hair in triangle sections. It doesn't matter how the hair is parted, but you do have to make sure the sections are small enough to be undetectable within the crochet locks. If you would like to know how I achieved this triangle / hexagonal style, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to make a tutorial about it. Once the hair section is braided tightly from root to tip, you're going to get your latch hook and one of the crochet locks in each hand. Slide the latch hook between the start of the braid and the scalp and place your index finger on the latch. Now hook the crochet loop, close the latch, and reverse slide the latch hook back through the braid. Don't let go of the loop yet. Now push your tool through the loop, hook and latch a portion of the faux lock, and reverse slide it through the loop again. Then use your finger to pull the rest of the hair through and tighten the knot at the scalp. Starting your open latch hook about a finger length down from the scalp, wiggle the hook through and up the middle of the faux lock. Start slow until you get the hang of keeping the hook in the middle, correcting as necessary. Once the hook and latch makes it between the knot and the scalp, hook the braid, latch it, and reverse slide it through the shaft of the faux lock. Be sure not to hook the braid too high up or it'll get stuck in the shaft and you'll have to unlatch and start step 3 over. You're going to repeat step 3 until the braid disappears. Be sure to hold the end of the braid as you slide it through, or it can come out of the latch too early. Take your time with the second one because you want to make sure the latch hook is coming out right where the braid came out of the faux lock, or your braid will be displayed once you pull it through, which means you have to redo it over again. Hold the end of that braid until it's all the way through the faux lock, or it'll mess up and you got to start over. After the braid has completely disappeared into the shaft, I twist the faux lock up a bit to hide any visible hair, especially if your hair is a different color like mine is. It literally took a couple of tries until I got the hang of it, and it was smooth sailing after that. You can definitely add hair accessories for a little flair and personality. Step 4 is optional, but I usually oil my scalp afterwards with this Aunt Jackie's coconut and sweet almond oil. It's lightweight and smells really good, or use any oil of your preference. And that's about it. If you try this style, please tell me or show me the outcome. Hope you liked the video. Until next time, leave some comments below and definitely subscribe.